In this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to grow your LinkedIn group organically. Yes guys, I'm going to show you some tips and strategies which you can follow in order to grow your LinkedIn group. You might have already created the group, but the thing is, if you are not able to grow your LinkedIn group, then there's no point of creating any group, right? If you have created the group, you need to have a mindset that I will grow it and I will create a business, or maybe I can get tons of extra clients from this group, right, for my existing business. So this should be the mindset while creating your group and while growing your group. Now let's directly jump into the video and learn the strategies which you need to follow in order to grow your LinkedIn group. So guys, we are starting with the first point, or you can say the first strategy, and that is focus. What does this focus mean? Basically, if you have not focus regarding your group, if you have not mindset that I need to grow this group, then there is no any benefit of just creating the group, right? It is very important to have a mindset. It is very important to have a focus that I will grow my group and get good amount of client for my existing business, or maybe I can create a business around this group. Maybe I can generate some extra revenue through this group, right? So there are many benefits of growing a group on LinkedIn. Even we will cover a video. Basically, we will cover this topic, that how you can monetize your LinkedIn groups as well, right? So focus is the main point, or you can say focus is the first point you need to keep thing in the mind, that you need to be focused while growing the group, that I need to, or I have to grow the group with hook or crook. Right now, the second point is invite right members. What is the meaning of this invite right members? Well, LinkedIn has around 300 million users, and if you have the thinking like I will send the invitation to anyone, then this is not the right approach to grow your LinkedIn group. And if using this method, by sending group request to anyone, if using this method you are able to grow your LinkedIn group, then you will be not able to sustain, or the group will not be the beneficial for anyone. So what you need to do is you need to invite only right members. Let's say you have created a group for digital marketing marketers, right? So you need to invite only real digital marketers who are working in digital marketing, who want to be digital marketer, or who are working as a digital marketer, maybe senior, junior, or maybe as an intern. But the thing is, their profile should be the digital marketer, right? Because they are the right members and they'll be able to engage with the content in the group. Otherwise, if you are not bringing the right member, if you are not bringing the relevant members to your group, then the numbers will increase, but nothing will happen, nothing will change, right? Keep this second point in your mind. Now the third point is, or you can say the third strategy which will help you to grow your LinkedIn group, is welcome and encourage members, or I can say welcome and encourage new members. How you can encourage new members? By sending them welcome note. I have already told you how to create a automatic welcome note in group settings, right? You can watch our previous video. Also, there are many other ways to encourage your members in order to create new content in the group, right? So first thing is welcome, and then encourage new members to create content in the group, right? There are many ways to encourage your members to create content in the group. You can run contest. I'll be talking about the contest and different competitions in the upcoming slides, so stay tuned, right? So this is the third point, that welcome and encourage your members to create new content, right? Now the fourth point is screening before accepting new requests. If you are getting requested if request joining request, maybe you got 100 joining requests. So if you are the mindful person, or if you are a good admin of your group, then you will not accept all those 100 requests, because you need to do first screening, and in screening you need to check whether the member or the person who have requested to join your group is suitable for your group or not, is the right person for your group or not. uh, is they are from the same industry, do they have any experience regarding this work or and all, everything you need to check out, where they work, what they have experience, their past experience, where they are working, everything you need to check out before accepting new request. And why it is important to screen before accepting request? Because in order to maintain a healthy environment in the group, and in order to maintain the quality of group, because once this group grows, this quality matters. You will be get paid for the quality, not for the number of members, right? So try to maintain the quality of your group. This is the fourth point. Now the fifth point is promote your group to other social media platform as well. Obviously, if you have a quality group, if you have a quality conversation in the group, definitely people are keen to join these kind of group, right? So maybe somehow or due to any reason they are not able to reach your group, so in that case you need to reach there, right? Maybe on other platform, other social media like Facebook, Instagram, there also you'll be able to find some professionals. You can reach out there as well and ask them to join the LinkedIn group which you have created, and uh, how healthy conversation you are getting, you are having within the group members, and what is the quality of your group, you can tell that thing as well, right? And if you follow this method, definitely you will get some high quality members for your group, who will create new content, who will engage with the existing content, and even help you to grow your group, right? And being an admin, it is your task to maintain everything, maintain the decorum, maintain the quality of the group, right? Now the sixth point is help people to find you easily, put right keywords in titles and descriptions. Yes, if the user is searching directly, going on the LinkedIn search and searching for digital marketing group, or maybe Google ads group, or maybe uh, content writer or copywriter group, or maybe social media manager group, tons of titles are there, right? So what you need to do is you need to put the right keywords in the titles, in the description, so that your group can be ranked on the search results, and users, the keen users who want to join the group, can find you and join your group, right? So keep this thing in mind. You are doing all the things, kind of SEO things, search engine optimization thing, properly, right? Now the seventh point is keep rolling and engaging. What does this keep rolling mean? Keep rolling mean keep sharing the quality content, because you are the admin of the group. So end of the day, it is your responsibility to make all group members happy and provide them quality content. So whether the users are creating content or not, it is your responsibility to create content from your own as well. Let's say today the users have created 10 content, right? They have posted 10 quality content, but it is your responsibility to contribute from your side as well. And let's say tomorrow the users haven't posted anything, but again today is sorry tomorrow is also your responsibility to contribute from your side, right? So you can determine that whatever the number of posts you want to post, or you are going to post in the group, right? So it is totally up to you what is the number you want to keep. And engaging as well, keep it rolling and engaging. Obviously if you are regularly posting the quality content, the engagement will be there, right? People will engage, people will share, people will like, comment, post, everything will be there. You don't need to worry about it, right? Now after seventh point, we do have the eighth point, which is engage. It is not engage, it should be encourage your members to invite people. Sorry for the word mistake, right? This should be the encourage your members to invite people. Yes, obviously if they have joined your group, they already have a good connections as well. Maybe someone has 100 connection, or maybe someone has 200 or 2000 connections, right? So what you can do is you can encourage those members in order to invite their connections to your group, right? And this is very important to follow, right? This strategy is very important to follow. That's when you encourage your group members to invite their connections, that's when you get the real growth. Because let's say you have 100 members only, right? Just giving you the rough calculation. If you have 100 group members and everyone has 100 connections, now you have encouraged those members to send invitation to their connections. Now what they have done, they have sent to all their connections, and from everyone, if I take the average number from everyone, they 10 members have joined the group. So in one shot you got 1000 members, right? Earlier you had 100 members, and again, after encouraging them, after doing some marketing, obviously this is kind of a marketing, right? So after doing this marketing, you got 1000 members extra, so 1100 members now in your group. And you can do the same thing to the new members, and obviously they will also invite if you are providing good quality content and giving out the value. But the thing is, don't do this regularly. Don't ask them to invite their connection on a regular basis. In this way they will get frustrated, they will get irritated, and they will leave the group, right? So this is a very useful weapon, but use it wisely. Now the ninth point is launch contest, quizzes, and other competitions. And I have already mentioned about this thing and why it is important to do these kind of things, contest and quizzes, because the members who have joined your group are humans, right? They are not bots, they are not computers, and human like these kind of things. They like these contests, quizzes, giveaways. If you are running any giveaway, that is also a cherry on the cake, right? So you can run these kind of things on a regular basis. The frequency you can define. Maybe you want to run on a weekly basis, or maybe bi-weekly basis, or maybe monthly basis. It is totally up to you. Frequently you can decide, because it depends on different categories and depends on the audience as well. So you can determine that what should be the frequency, right? But the thing is, you need to run these things, you need to follow these things, right? Now after ninth point, we do have the last point, and this is not the organic one. I have already told you the 9 organic strategies, organic tips you can follow in order to grow your group organically. But after these things, you can go with the paid method as well, and that is LinkedIn advertising. Yes guys, in order to get some high quality not content, high quality members for your group, you can run LinkedIn ads as well. And if you don't know how to run LinkedIn ads, you don't need to worry about it. We are going to cover LinkedIn ads as well in this course itself, so stay tuned with the course and you will learn how to run ads on LinkedIn as well, right? So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, if you do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Also, you can share this playlist with your needy friends who want to learn LinkedIn marketing. So let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.